What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with The Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to get more views on YouTube fast in 2019. Now everybody wants to get more views, wants to get more subscribers, wants to become YouTube famous, but they don't want to put in the work. What I want to show you is how to actually put in a little bit of work and make your channel grow that much faster. So if you're ready to see your channel grow, get more views, get more subscribers, top of the computer, I'm gonna show you right now how you can do it. So let's go. All right, guys, so I'm actually gonna show you two different ways to get more views to your YouTube channel, to your videos fast, all right, in 2019, okay? Now, obviously you need a YouTube channel. Duh, that's obviously, it's common sense. You just need it, okay? If you haven't done so, make sure you click the subscribe button, go subscribe to my YouTube channel today so you don't miss any more of my videos. But here's what I would do, okay? I would come to my channel and I'd go over here, click on videos. The reason why I'm gonna do this is I wanna find a video that I could go and promote to other people. But where am I gonna promote it? Well, let's say I go to Quora.com. Quora.com is one of my personal favorites. Again, I don't use Quora.com for my Homemade Entrepreneur channel. I just don't, okay? I don't do that because I don't feel like I really need to grow my channel. Okay, I have enough viewers, have enough followers, have enough subscribers already. It's not going to change it that drastically, but it could really help out and help it grow. That's why I do it with other channels, my other smaller channels that are close to 1,000 to maybe under 5,000 subscribers, because it really benefits the smaller channels, right? Just want to get that out there so you guys understand. How does it work? Well, I'm gonna come and find a video that I really want to promote and get people to watch a little bit more. Let's say this one right here, okay? How to get 100 subscribers on YouTube fast, subscriber hack. Okay, this is the video I wanna go and get more views to, all right? And I'm gonna do this exact same thing. I'm gonna walk you through it right now. So what I wanna do is click on share. I wanna go and get this link right here, okay? This is my link. And now I wanna teach people how to get 100 subscribers on YouTube fast. Well, so I'd come here and I'd type in YouTube subscribers, okay? That is my topic, so that's the one I'm gonna go under. I'm gonna go click answer, okay? And now I want to answer some of these questions. And I prefer to answer a question that hasn't been already answered, 50 times. If it's been answered once or twice, yes. If it's been answered 10, 20, 30 times, probably not. What are some most subscribed YouTube channels that you enjoy watching every day? That's not gonna help me with this video, so I'm not even gonna bother with it. Again, you wanna try to come up with your in. How do you get in the door? How do you get people to watch your video? Why have YouTube stopped showing full subscriber counts? On YouTube, is it better to share a subscriber link or a specific video link? Okay, how long did it take you to get the silver play button from YouTube? Why is the minimum amount of subscribers before I can monetize my videos on YouTube? This is one I could do, all right? So let me go and answer this question. So I'm gonna write answer. And the minimum subscribers is 1,000 before you can monetize. So I'm gonna go ahead and write this really quick. I'm gonna go and pause this video, speed through the answer, and kind of explain why I did what I did. So I'll be back in just a second. All right, so I know for you it was just a second ago, but I took about 20, 30 seconds to write this, and I just wrote, the minimum amount of subscribers to get approved for monetization is 1,000. However, you also need to have 4,000 hours of watch time as well. If you are struggling to get more subscribers, then this video that I recorded might help you get there. It's a little subscriber hack that I use. Remember, I end up pulling up the link right here. I click the share button. I'm gonna go and post it right here. Okay, so that's the link. They can watch it directly on Quora.com, okay? And now I'm gonna hit submit. That's it. Okay, and they can go click the button and they can watch the video right here. That's how simple this is, all right? And so that's just one way. This is just one way to get more views to your video, is if you go and answer a bunch of questions and teach people how to do whatever it is they're asking, or show them a way of benefit, actually provide value through your answer plus video. That's how you can get more views, which will lead to more subscribers and eventually will lead to making more money. So let me give you a couple tips on using Quora.com before you go out there and start doing it. The first tip is to actually provide value. I'm not gonna go and just stick my video and embed it on just some random answer where the people aren't actually gonna engage with the video, aren't gonna watch it because it actually answers their question, actually benefits their life. For example, if they're not asking how to get more views on YouTube or how to get more subscribers, why would I post that video? Okay, the one I just did. Now, if I want to teach people how to lose weight, I'm not gonna stick that video on that question because it's gonna do no good to them, and they'll probably end up reporting me and my account would end up getting shut down. So don't do it, okay? That's tip number one. Tip number two is to figure out an angle to get in, okay? For example, people ask, well, I'm looking to make money online using YouTube. Okay, great. The video that I just showed you, okay, how to get more subscribers, what if I said, oh, if you want to make more money on YouTube, I'd recommend doing affiliate marketing. Or I'd recommend you get your account enabled for YouTube ads, which means 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But in order to get there, what I suggest is first watch this video. It's going to show you how to get more subscribers, and from that you can actually get your account enabled where you can monetize it through YouTube ads. So that's my in. Is I kind of structure my answer around what my end goal is to promote this video. But I structure my answer around that, and then, that's how I pitch it to them. So that's what I mean by figure out your in, figure out how you can get in the door without being scammy, without being just, shoving your video down their throat, but actually have a benefit to it, to their life, all right? So now what I want to show you is the second way to get more views on your video. This is something I've shown before, but it's been a while. This is something that has completely changed my business over the course of the last few years. And I guarantee you start doing this the right way, you too are going to see more views to your videos. All right, so the next way of how to get more views to your videos, how to get quick views, okay? That's the goal, is to go and offer a guest post. This is something that I've been preaching probably for about 12 years, something like that. I started out doing guest posts and it was extremely beneficial. It still is to this day in 2019, but you gotta do it right, okay? Here's what I mean. Let's say my goal is to do a video, so I want to promote a video on healthy eating habits, okay? Let's say my channel is, let's say this is me right here, okay? Renee Amberg, that's me. It's not, but anyway, let's say it was. What I eat in a day, how I got my abs, Renee Amberg. All right, great. So this is the video. It's all about healthy eating, all about, getting abs, what I eat in a day, okay? So here's what I do. I type in my keyword as healthy eating. Maybe I write healthy, let's just write healthy eating, okay? And then what I do is I'm gonna put in quotes, guest post, okay? And I'm gonna hit search. So guest post, Beyond Diet blog. I'm gonna open that up. Guest post guidelines for guidingstars.com. Let's see. Caro or Churub, what, I'm not sure what that is. Anyway, guest post by Monica, the Paleo Mom. We're gonna open up that one. So all these are websites that healthy eating is somewhere in the website, plus guest post. Look at this, okay? Right here. Beyond daily values input of our members and other health and fitness professionals, okay? Choices, whatever, okay? And so where's guest post? I'll open my blog, guest post, choices. My guess, this is just a guest post right here. Okay, very simple. Okay, we want to find one where we could actually do a guest post. Guest post guidelines, yes. Guiding Stars does accept guest posts. Please review our policy. Okay, policy, credentials, here we go. Sample topics, topics to avoid, how to submit, blog posts between 300 to 500 words. We do not accept guest posts of more than 500 words, 100-word author bio. My guess is you could probably put a video in here. I'd make sure you ask them and see, but you probably could. Hopefully this website right here is getting some traffic, okay? But let's look at the other one, this one right here. Okay, let's see. Guest post by Monica Bravo, how to help your teenage So we know they're accepting guest posts, or they were. This was in 2014. We want to figure out where we could go about providing a guest post. Okay, so guest post by guest post, you see it. Membership has perks. Contact, affiliate, you can probably contact them, see, do they do guest posts? Because the reason why we want to do a guest post is because we want to get in front of other websites. We want to get in front of other audiences that are currently updating the website maybe daily, 3 times a week, something like that, where we can go and show our video to them, where hopefully our video benefits their life, but the same way we get another view, hopefully we get a subscriber, which turns into even more views, which again turns into more money. But again, this is just through guest posts. Okay, what if we did make money online? Okay, so here's all the websites that offer guest posts for making money online. Okay, what if we did YouTube subscriber guest post? Okay, how to guest blog to promote your YouTube channel. Okay, which is pretty much what I'm telling you to do. How I use YouTube to grow my blog, get traffic, 25 actionable tips. Okay, all stuff that you start to understand. Okay, delmundo.co, guest post, YouTube, 5 YouTube monetization tips to make money on YouTube. How I got 532 subscribers in 42 days using cheap Facebook ads. All this stuff. Again, YouTube is a great opportunity, but if you're not getting views, that's where you're going to struggle, and that is where guest posts come in handy. So what do you guys think of that? Guest posting is an incredible opportunity that so many people don't take advantage of simply because it requires a little bit of work, okay? But what I'm here to tell you is guest posting in 2019 still works and it's very effective, but you have to get your post published on a website, published on a blog that gets traffic. The point in 2019 is not just to get a guest post up and to hopefully have a link to your video. That's not going to do you any good. It's going to help you with a little bit of link juice and for SEO purposes, but other than that, there's no benefit to it. But what we want, and the purpose of today's video, is to get you more views. The way you get more views, yes, SEO helps, but the way you get more views is to just put your video in front of people that are already there. Okay? You get your video just published on some website that gets 10,000 viewers or views per day, 10,000 visitors per day. What's going to happen? That one video is going to go from seeing it, nobody sees it, to now, what if 4,000 people end up watching that video in one day? That's what changes your channel. That's what gets you more views, more subscribers, and makes you more money. All right. So one tip to have you guys: go after bigger blogs, go after bigger websites, not the biggest ones in the world. Go after bigger ones that get a decent amount of traffic. If you do this time and time again, what's going to happen? Your videos are going to blow up, your channel is going to blow up, and you're going to start making even more money. So hopefully this video, you learned a little bit something from it. Hopefully it helped you out. Hopefully it's going to help you grow your YouTube channel. If it does, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Come back, let me know exactly what you've been doing and if it worked. Because I guarantee you, I've been doing this for my channels and it's working 100% of the time. So if you're going to go out there and do it, go do it. But again, if you enjoyed today's video, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.